Hello, this is Mastee Badii for HAP 501, and I'd like to show you how to generate descriptive statistics using Excel. Here I've opened the file that was associated with problem 3.50 in your book. It's the file of oil companies and their production. The best way to generate summary statistics is to go under Tools, and use the Data Analysis tab. Under Data Analysis, you need to choose Descriptive Statistics. Say OK. And then you need to choose your input range. Here we choose barrels, the values that we have, oil production. And then because I've chosen the label, I would tell it that the label is in the first row. You have options of where to put the output. It could be in a new worksheet. I would like to put it here, so I will choose where I want to put it. I can choose any cell here. And then I want it to generate summary statistics. So say OK, and here it is. Let's make it a little bigger so we can see better. Okay, so it's generated for me a value for mean, for median, for standard deviation, and for variance. Let's make it a little bigger. It also has produced a range with minimum and maximum values, sum, count. We will be working with standard error rate later on, so it's good to know that all these values can be easily produced right here by Excel. Now let me remember. We also work with quartiles, so we can ask Excel to also calculate quartiles for us. The best way to do that is, let's say, let me choose a cell here, and I need to find the function formula. So I go under Insert and choose Function. I'm asking it to perform a function for me. Again, as you can see, the equal sign appears in the cell that I had chosen because Excel's getting ready to do some calculations. Okay, next I have to tell it what function I want it to perform. So this function of finding quartiles is a statistical function. I choose statistical, and then under that I have to find quartiles. A little too fast. Okay, quartile. I choose that, okay, and it will give me a dialog box, again asking me for my values, my array. This time I'll just choose the values, no label. And then it asks me what quartile I want calculated. Now over here it's giving you the list for if you want the minimum value, you have to enter 0 under quartile. If you want first quartile, you enter 1. So since we are usually interested in calculating interquartile range, we're interested in third and first quartile. So for third quartile, I enter a value 3 here, and I say OK, and it will put the value here for me with the formula up here of how it calculated it. So that I will remember, I will label this quartile 3. Now I'm also interested in calculating quartile 1. So it's the same process again. I'll insert a function. The function is again quartile. Yes, I always pass it. Only this time I'm interested in first. So I choose the values, and here I'll enter 1 because it tells me that the first quartile equals 1. Okay, and that's my value for quartile 1. Now if I'm interested in quartile range, which is quartile 1 third minus, I can do that here. I can say equal this value minus this value, and then I press enter and it gives me the calculations. Now that's generally the summary statistics, the descriptive statistics that you're asked to produce. So I'm going to stop this tutorial right here, and in the next one I'll show you how to produce Z-scores.